noticed in this 2003 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.